Easy and delicious, 10 beginner-friendly meal ideas. 1. Avocado toast with poached eggs. You will need avocado, whole grain bread, eggs, salt, pepper, chili flakes. Toast the bread, mash avocado on top, poach eggs, place them on avocado toast, season with salt, pepper, and chili flakes. 2. Quinoa salad. Begin by cooking quinoa according to package instructions. Meanwhile, dice the cherry tomatoes and cucumber, crumble the feta cheese, and slice the olives. For dressing, whisk together freshly squeezed lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Once the quinoa is cooked, let it cool and then combine it with the chopped ingredients in a large bowl. Finally, drizzle the zesty lemon olive oil dressing over the salad and give it a good toss. 3. Veggie stir fry. Use mixed vegetables, soy sauce, garlic, and olive oil. Stir-fry veggies in olive oil with garlic, season, and soy sauce. 4. Grilled chicken with steamed broccoli. You will need chicken, broccoli, olive oil, salt, pepper. Grill chicken or use rotisserie. Steam broccoli, season with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. 5. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and mixed nuts. Layer Greek yogurt, berries, and nuts in a bowl or glass. 6. Lentil soup. Use lentils, carrot, onion, garlic, celery, vegetable broth, salt, and pepper. Sauté veggies, add lentils and broth, simmer until tender, season to taste. 7. Baked salmon with sweet potato. This consists of salmon, sweet potato, olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon. Bake salmon and sweet potato, season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Chickpea salad. Chickpeas, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, parsley, olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. Combine all ingredients in a bowl, dress with olive oil and lemon juice, season to taste. 9. Oatmeal with fruit and honey. Use oats, milk/water, your favorite fruit, and honey. Cook oats with milk or water, top with fruit and drizzle with honey. 10. Smoothie bowl. Ingredients: frozen berries, banana, spinach, almond milk, granola, and chia seeds. Blend berries, banana, spinach, and almond milk, pour into a bowl, top with granola and chia seeds and fruit. Remember, always adjust portions and ingredients to meet your dietary needs and taste preference.